Hello, hello, and welcome back. Today's tip deals with Google Meet and Jamboard. That's right, for those of you that use Jamboard, which is a digital whiteboard through Google, this tip might help you. So here's the deal. We are going to go up to our app launcher, and we're going to start a Google Meet. And when I start that Google Meet, I'm just going to type in the name for this meet very, very quickly. And as you'll see, my screen will come up like it normally does, and I'll be able to join my own meet. Now, when I do, obviously I would have other students in here with me or other staff with me. And at this point, what you want to do is come to the bottom right-hand corner and select Jamboard or whiteboard, open a jam. And when you select that, it's going to say, do you want to get one from your drive that you already have, or you can create a new one. We're going to create a new one. And when we do, Google's going to create a jam. And as you see, here it comes. I'm just going to open it up and increase the size of this window. And now I have all of my Jamboard tools. So for those of you that have ever used Jamboard before, this is a really cool tool because it's like having a whiteboard at your fingertips. You have a pen and you have different types of markers that you can use and different colors. So, you can draw things if you need to. You also have an eraser. So if you need to do some erasing, you can. You can put in some sticky notes, and those can be saved, and you can put them in different colors, and those can be brought up, and then you can put more in. You can resize. I mean, there's a whole thing on Jamboard, and I've done some workshops on this before. So for those of you that have never taken a Jamboard session with me, it's something to take a look at. I think you can probably find a way to use it. I also like the backgrounds that they give you, because for those of you that teach math or science, if you need some graph paper, you can work with those things. But the beautiful part about this is that right now you are showcasing something else to the students using a Google Meet. And you can even share the Jamboard with them if you'd like to. Now, obviously, in order for the students to see it on their end, you have to be presenting your screen. You would still do, I want to present my entire screen, and they would be able to see the Jamboard in the back. But basically, that is how it would work. So again, for those of you that are looking to do something unique, and you're looking for another way to display information to students, having that new option in Google Meet, I think, is pretty amazing. So give that a try. And if you need more information because you're not familiar with Jamboard, by all means, please let me know. Or if you'd be interested even in a workshop on that as a topic, let me know. And hopefully that's something that we might be able to offer you in the future. So until next time, take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.